In Canada, tax brackets are used to determine the amount of income tax individuals or businesses owe to the government. The tax brackets in Canada are progressive, meaning that the tax rates increase as income levels rise. Here are the federal tax brackets for individuals in Canada for the tax year 2021. 1. 15% on the first $49,020 of taxable income. 2. 20.5% on the portion of taxable income over $49,020 up to $98,040. 3. 26% on the portion of taxable income over $98,040 up to $151,978. 4. 29% on the portion of taxable income over $151,978 up to $216,511. 5. 33% on the portion of taxable income over $216,511. It is important to note that these rates do not include provincial or territorial taxes, which have their own tax brackets and rates. The provincial or territorial tax rates may vary depending on the province or territory where the individual resides. It's worth mentioning that Canada also has a basic personal amount (BPA), which is the amount of income that individuals can earn without paying federal income tax. For the tax year 2021, the federal BPA is $13,808. To determine the total income tax owed, individuals need to calculate their taxable income by subtracting eligible deductions and credits from their total income. It is recommended to consult with a tax professional or use tax software to accurately calculate and understand the tax owed based on individual circumstances. In addition to the federal tax brackets, each province and territory in Canada has its own set of tax brackets and rates. These rates vary, and it's important to consider both federal and provincial territorial taxes when calculating total income tax liability. Provincial and territorial tax rates generally follow a similar progressive structure to the federal rates, with higher rates applied to higher income levels. However, the income thresholds and rates differ by province or territory. For example, let's take a look at the provincial tax brackets and rates for Ontario as of 2021. 1. 5.05% on the first $44,740 of taxable income. 2. 9.15% on the portion of taxable income over $44,740 up to $89,482. 3. 11.16% on the portion of taxable income over $89,482 up to $150,000. 4. 12.16% on the portion of taxable income over $150,000 up to $220,000. 5. 13.16% on the portion of taxable income over $220,000. It's important to note that there may be additional tax credits or deductions available at the provincial or territorial level, which can further reduce the overall tax liability. Taxpayers should also consider other factors that may impact their tax brackets, such as tax treaty provisions for non-residents, special rules for certain types of income, such as capital gains, and various credits and deductions applicable to their specific situation. To ensure accurate calculations and properly understand tax obligations, individuals are advised to consult with tax professionals or make use of tax software that takes into account federal and provincial territorial tax brackets, rates, and credits. Additionally, it's crucial to keep in mind that tax laws and rates may change over time, so staying updated with the most current information from the Canada Revenue Agency (CRA) and relevant provincial territorial tax authorities is essential. It's important to understand that the tax brackets and rates in Canada can change from year to year. The federal government periodically adjusts tax brackets to account for inflation and other economic factors. Similarly, provincial and territorial governments may also update their tax brackets and rates. For example, in the tax year 2020, the federal tax brackets for individuals in Canada were as follows. 1. 15% on the first $48,535 of taxable income. 2. 20.5% on the portion of taxable income over $48,535 up to $97,069. 3. 26% on the portion of taxable income over $97,069 up to $150,473. 4. 29% on the portion of taxable income over $150,473 up to $214,368. 5. 33% on the portion of taxable income over $214,368. It's essential to consult the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA, or a tax professional to obtain the most current information on tax brackets for a specific tax year. Keep in mind that tax brackets and rates for businesses differ from those for individuals. The tax rates for Canadian corporations are determined at both the federal and provincial territorial levels. In general, federal corporate tax rates are calculated based on a flat rate, while provincial territorial corporate tax rates may vary. The tax brackets and rates provided here are a general overview. It's crucial for individuals and businesses to understand the specific tax obligations based on their unique circumstances, such as residency status, type of income, available deductions, and any applicable tax treaties. Airzol is a leading provider of comprehensive tax solutions. With our team of experienced professionals and cutting-edge technology, we offer efficient and accurate tax services to individuals and businesses alike. From tax planning and preparation to IRS issue resolution, we handle all aspects of taxes with precision and expertise. Our commitment to delivering personalized solutions tailored to each client's unique needs sets us apart. Contact us today at +1 647 232 7909 and discover how Airzol can streamline your tax process and help you achieve your financial goals.